Attention, bird enthusiasts. You won't believe what the grey-headed albatross can do. Meet the grey-headed albatross. This incredible seabird can fly around the world in just 4 to 6 days. That's faster than some people get their passports processed. These birds have super long wings that help them glide over the ocean for thousands of kilometers. They don't even stop for fuel. This amazing feat is like running a marathon every day for over a month. And they make it look easy. In fact, they spend most of their lives at sea, only coming to land to breed. Talk about commitment. So next time you're feeling tired from a long day, remember the grey-headed albatross, the true globe-trotter of the bird world. Stay curious and keep watching the skies.